Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's incredibly important: how to regain self-respect. Whether life's challenges have knocked you down or you've made some mistakes along the way, losing self-respect can feel devastating. But here's the good news: it's entirely possible to rebuild it. This journey isn't easy, but it's worth every step. Let's explore this together. Understanding self-respect. First, let's understand what self-respect truly means. It's about recognizing your own worth and treating yourself with kindness and dignity. It's believing that you deserve good things just as you are. When you have self-respect, you set healthy boundaries, make positive choices, and stand up for yourself. It's the foundation of a fulfilling and confident life. Reflecting on your values. To start regaining self-respect, take some time to reflect on your values. What truly matters to you? Your values are your core beliefs and principles. They guide your decisions and actions. When you live in alignment with your values, you feel authentic and grounded. Make a list of your top 5 values and keep them in mind. They will serve as your compass, guiding you in the right direction. Practicing self-compassion. Next, let's talk about self-compassion. It's so easy to be hard on yourself, especially when things go wrong. But treating yourself with kindness and understanding is crucial. Think about how you would treat a friend in a similar situation. Would you be harsh, or would you offer support and encouragement? Give yourself the same compassion. When you make a mistake, acknowledge it, learn from it, and forgive yourself. Remember, nobody is perfect. Everyone has setbacks. What's important is how you respond to them. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is another essential step. Boundaries protect your time, energy, and emotional well-being. Identify areas in your life where you feel overwhelmed or taken advantage of. Then, clearly communicate your limits to others. This might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's crucial for preserving your self-respect. Saying no is not selfish. It's a form of self-care. By setting boundaries, you teach others how to treat you with respect. Taking responsibility. Taking responsibility for your actions is a powerful way to regain self-respect. Acknowledge your mistakes and own up to them. Apologize if necessary and make amends. By taking responsibility, you show that you are accountable and mature. This not only earns the respect of others, but also helps you respect yourself more. It's about facing your actions head-on and learning from them, rather than running away or making excuses. Focusing on self-improvement. Investing in yourself is a fantastic way to build self-respect. Set personal goals and work towards them. This could be learning a new skill, improving your health, or pursuing a passion. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a testament to your dedication and resilience. When you see yourself growing and achieving, it reinforces your sense of worth. Surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with have a significant impact on your self-respect. Spend time with individuals who uplift and support you. Avoid toxic relationships that drain your energy and undermine your self-worth. Positive influences can inspire you, boost your confidence, and remind you of your value. Seek out those who see the best in you and encourage you to be your best self. Practicing self-care. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being is essential for maintaining self-respect. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. This could be anything from reading a book, going for a walk, or spending time with loved ones. When you prioritize self-care, you show yourself that you matter. It's a way of saying, I am worth taking care of. Embracing your strengths. We all have unique strengths and talents. Embrace what makes you special and use it to your advantage. Focus on your positive qualities and what you can contribute to the world. When you recognize and celebrate your strengths, you build a stronger sense of self-respect. Instead of dwelling on your weaknesses, highlight your abilities and achievements. Letting go of negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can be incredibly damaging to your self-respect. Challenge those negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," say, "I am capable and worthy." Over time, this shift in mindset will help you build a more positive self-image. It's about training your brain to recognize your value rather than focusing on perceived flaws. Seeking professional help if needed. If you're struggling to regain self-respect, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist or counselor can provide valuable guidance and support. They can help you work through past traumas, develop healthier coping strategies, and build your self-esteem. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It's about taking proactive steps towards your well-being. Real-life stories of regaining self-respect. To make this journey more relatable, let's look at some real-life stories of people who have successfully regained their self-respect. These stories remind us that no matter how difficult things may seem, there is always hope for a brighter future. Sarah's journey. Sarah had always been a people pleaser. She would go out of her way to make others happy, often at the expense of her own well-being. Over time, she lost sight of her own needs and desires. One day, Sarah realized that she couldn't continue living like this. She started setting boundaries and saying no when necessary. She focused on her own goals and started practicing self-care. Slowly but surely, Sarah regained her self-respect and learned to prioritize herself. Mark's transformation. Mark had struggled with low self-esteem for years. He often felt like he wasn't good enough and doubted his abilities. One day, Mark decided to take control of his life. He began by identifying his core values and setting personal goals. He started working on self-improvement and celebrated his achievements. Mark also sought therapy to address his negative self-talk. Today, Mark is a confident and self-respecting individual who believes in his worth. Lisa's recovery. Lisa went through a difficult breakup that shattered her self-esteem. She felt lost and unworthy of love. With the support of friends and family, Lisa started focusing on her own happiness. She practiced self-compassion and surrounded herself with positive influences. Lisa also engaged in activities that brought her joy and helped her rediscover her strengths. Through this journey, Lisa regained her self-respect and learned to love herself again. Final thoughts. Regaining self-respect is a journey that requires patience, effort, and self-awareness. It's about recognizing your worth and treating yourself with kindness and dignity. Remember, you are valuable just as you are, and you deserve to be treated with respect. By following these steps and staying committed to your growth, you can rebuild your self-respect and live a more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay confident.